Gatsby Water Gloss Soft. Light holding power level 2. For medium length to long hair. Take Gatsby Water Gloss and spread it on the palms of your hands. Apply it lifting your hair in stages using a slight wavy motion. Set hair that has been lifted. In the back, define the ends of your hair. Add more water gloss if necessary. To create a natural hairstyle, ensure you have applied Gatsby Water Gloss Soft evenly throughout your hair. Gatsby Water Gloss.